Okay, for our next problem, we'd like to solve this following equation: x squared minus 4x plus 3 equals 0. Now, if you have done your preview reading, you probably know that this is a so-called quadratic equation. Now, solving quadratic equation is of a lot of interest for people learning the first classes in college mathematics. And this quadratic equations and quadratic functions also have a lot of applications in all kinds of fields, including business and other sciences. Let me show you how to solve this equation for a start. So here's our solution. So we start with the equation x squared minus 4x plus 3 equals 0. Now, what if I'm to tell you that there is a special technique that would help me make this terms, that would allow me to make this term into the product of x minus 1 times x minus 3 equals 0. Wouldn't that be a wonderful thing? After all, in our previous problem, we have to solve this kind of problem. So probably we'll say, okay, if there's any technique, special technique that would help me move from here to here, we can very much take it from here and solve this problem. In this case, I would just say, okay, now since the product of these two numbers are 0, I would say x minus 1 equals 0, or the second item, x minus 3 equals 0. And I would do no different from before, that first of all, if x minus 1 equals 0, x is 1. And then if x minus 3 equals 0, x would be 3. So consider this problem solved, or at least possible to solve, if we are able to perform this special technique that will move us from here to here in this problem. Now, this very special technique is called factoring a quadratic. Or factoring a quadratic form. Okay. So as you can see, our previous knowledge would help us solve the problem if we are able to perform this special technique called factoring a quadratic form. So that would be, that should be what we are going to learn next.